Hey everybody, it's Matthew of Mr. Domestic, and in this video I am going to share with you my strike-offs for Playroom. I just received my strike-offs for my 4th fabric collection called Playroom, which is inspired by my daughter's playroom upstairs, which is the biggest room in the house and is super duper awesome, and I'm totally jelly. But I really enjoyed making this. It was different, and when I looked through her lens, these were the colors, these were the experiences, these were things that she liked, and I tried to translate it in a way that would be fun for kids and fun for grown-ups as well. So, come along with my journey and see my strike-offs. I don't know what I was sent, but it should at least be all of my quilters cotton, and hopefully they have some of the apparel, because it comes with 3 knits and 1 rayon, and then 12 quilters cotton. For those of you who don't know what strike-offs are, it's part of the process of making sure that the fabrics that you receive at home are up to the standards of Art Gallery fabrics. They go back and forth with the printer a couple times just to ensure that the colors are perfect. And so these are some of the strike-offs, which are the ones that they use to evaluate whether or not they were awesome enough and would give feedback back to the person who printed and dyed and did all of that. I don't understand all of that stuff, but whoever does that, they talk and then they figure it out, and then I get these and I get to play with them early. So, yay! Let's get into the fabric. That was a lot of talking, folks. So, okay, so now I need to pay attention. Okay. Okay, so I did get all of them. Yay! This is just great. It's like I've been playing with blues and Catch My Release and I've loved it, but this is like the opposite end of like the spectrum of playing. This is more dainty. It's definitely more frilly, and I can't wait to see what Mr. Domestic and all of you do with these. Let's do the apparel fabrics first. Okay. Da, 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 da. So, this is the rayon, so it comes in 1 rayon. Look at this. Look. Do y'all see it? It's so flowy and drapey and awesome. Like, I really love it. Like, rayon is just a great substrate to work with if you've never worked with it. I also think rayon would be great for the back of a quilt because it's longer than standard quilters cotton, so it would work for most quilts. And it's soft and luxe, and I just want to... I mean, you can make an infinity scarf. You can make whatever you wanted to with the rayons. If you've never played with Art Gallery Fabrics rayons, they are next level. Okay, this is one of the knits. And it is...
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, shush! So this is one of the knits. This is one of the knits. It is... You can't tell from far, but close up you can see they are... watercolor palettes with the colors in them, like abstract. It's really fun. So from far, it's like, it's a cool print. You don't know what it is, but then whenever you get close to it, it's like, ooh, that person's got some edge to them. That's cool. And then these two, I am super proud of these. It was, I think, a great idea. And clearly they thought that as well, because there are 2 versions of this in knit and in quilters cotton. So there's the blue. Yay! And then there's the hot pink. Yay! But let me show you what they are. So, do you see? They are hands covered in paint. So, you know finger paints, where you just put the finger paints on and then you're like, boop, boop. That's what these are. I thought it was a great idea. So, this is the blue. And these are super fun. I can't wait! These are really fun. I'm going to make myself probably, just because I want to flip things around, I'm going to make myself a shirt out of the pink, and then I'm going to make Helena a shirt out of the blue. Just because, you know, why not? Rules are lame. So now let's get into the quilters cotton. I honestly should have gone the other way around and did quilters cotton first, because I've shared 4 of the designs that are in the quilters cotton, but... whatever, just pretend like you didn't see them before. I don't remember the names of any of these, so. Y'all are gonna love this. So, this one, it's trees that are hearts for the leaves. Do you see it? Close up. And I'm in love with this. They're the perfect size for fussy cutting. This can be a dress, a skirt. It can be like a panel and a block, the center of a block, like 4 inches. This could be in bags. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm just excited. And then this one is the one that I've already shown you in rayon. I don't know if the scale is the same, but here's this one in quilter's cotton. And let me check the scale to see if that is the same. Ooh, the colors are slightly different. Yeah, how fun! I love that. I love that there's variety between the rayon and the quilter's cotton. And then this one. I just thought I was really clever with a lot of these designs, and they turned out super awesome. Ooh. So yay, a chevron. I love chevrons. So from far away, you're like, okay, it's a chevron, yay. But then look up close. They are colored pencils in the design of a chevron. Like, this could be a border print. This could be used for like straps. This can be used for like the back, that part of a bag. Like, there's a lot that you could do with this one. I think it's cool. Oh, I just envisioned like in my head like a pinup style dress made out of this. How cute that would be. And then there are a couple blenders. Love the colors of the blenders. This one, ta-da! It's like a light teal green. But then those are shapes. See? So that's the color. And then let me show you these. Oh, see? Oh, I think these are the different scales. This is the blue one. Let me see. Are they the same scale? No. In the knit, it's a little bit smaller. And then this one's a little bit bigger. I love that. And then here is the pink one. This is so fun. I hope y'all love this one. Like, this goes with everything, this design. Yeah. I'm a hot mess looking at these. It's just exciting. It's making me feel like a kid because it's like, it's a kid's collection, but it's like grown-up worthy too. Then this one also is a different scale. This one is that. See? You can fussy cut those. It can become a blender, cut it at random. And this is a Harlequin one. I love this diamond one. It's simple. But it's got so many colors. If you wanted to fussy cut it, you could. Ooh. Oh, from far away, it kind of almost looks like a stripe, right? Where the color placement is. Then, see it? I can't wait to show Helena. Okay, this one also is another one where I was like, okay, this is super clever. So Helena and she would go to aftercare for kindergarten. She was in kindergarten last year, and so after school she would go to aftercare. And they always had melty beads or perler beads and the design. So I probably have at least 20 or 25 that she's given me. And so this one is inspired by those melty beads or perler beads. And I think that this is gorgeous. I think it's a classic design. Hopefully y'all love it too. You see the inspiration? It's got butterflies and flowers and hearts, stars. So many fussy cutting opportunities here. And then 2 more. And then this one, it's inspired by alphabet. Like my best friend Jennifer, in her house, she has all of the letters A through Z on a wall for her son. She has 2 twin boys that are 6 months younger than Helena, and she put letters, and each letter was different. So this was inspired by that, and we grouped them a little different so that they could be fussy cut for panels, just so that there are options, but it has all of the letters. So even if you wanted to fussy cut each letter, you could do that. And then this one, I'm all about rules. I'm not about rules, but there are, I feel, certain rules that you should have on how you exist on this planet. And so I put some of these, like things that I want, if I could, to inspire Helena with. That if you have a playroom, these are the rules. And this is adult or kid playroom. So these are playroom rules. See it? Use your imagination, be silly, laugh often, try new things, say please and thank you, dream big. Like grown-ups need to hear this sometimes too, folks, right? So, oh, this is so exciting. And coincidentally, because this just showed up in the mail, I was over on the Fat Quarter Shop website just looking to see what they had in stock, and I saw under Mr. Domestic that there was a Playroom Solids Fat Quarter bundle. So these are the solids that go with Playroom. These are all of my strike-offs for Playroom. This ships in December. So if you're a shop out there, go ahead and order it. If you are a maker and you're not sure if your local shop carries any of my fabrics, then just reach out to them and ask them to carry them. That's how they get the word out. That's how they learn about newer designers. And there are so many shops out there that are carrying my stuff, and I'm really grateful. And I'm grateful for all of y'all continuing to support me as a maker, as a YouTuber, as a designer. And I hope that you can tell that I'm trying to spread joy to everyone out there, and it's wonderful to see the trickle of like joy. So it's like through one person spreading joy to some people, those people spread joy, and then through Playroom, this is all about the joy of having fun, playing in your playroom, inspired by my daughter's playroom, but really it could be anyone's playroom, regardless of them being 2 years old all the way up to 102. So thank y'all for joining me in this unboxing of my strike-offs for Playroom. Keep it positive, y'all. Mr. Domestic out.